Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by enabling voice access so your device listens and responds. Open Settings, go to Accessibility, then tap Voice Access, turn it on and allow microphone access. Once done, set the activation method, choose Always On, or assign a quick shortcut like pressing power or a hardware key. Make sure language and region match your speech. Mismatches reduce recognition accuracy. Now that voice access is active, move to the screen you want to control and say the wake phrase to begin. You'll build flow by using core navigation and text commands. Say short navigation words like go home or go back and combine with scroll up or scroll down to move quickly. These are faster than tapping. When the overlay shows numbers, speak the number to activate that control. For typing, dictate text and speak punctuation and capitalization for cleaner input. Once you practice linking commands with app context, you'll reduce errors and move through tasks hands-free more reliably. Finish by tailoring voice access to your routine. Add custom commands for repetitive sequences and tweak recognition settings to suit your accent. Practice key phrases until the results are consistent and use the overlay numbers for complex screens. If something goes wrong, first stop and restart voice access and check microphone and permission settings. Often a quick restart fixes recognition faults. If problems persist, switch language models or retrain voice typing to improve accuracy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.